Hey everyone, today my recipe gobi Manchurian with fried rice, restaurant style. Take two cauliflower big pieces, remove the leaves, then cut into big flowers, big pieces. It's very tasty comparing to normal gobi Manchurian. Do in this way, you will surprise. Take 1 liter of hot water, add 1 teaspoon salt and a half teaspoon of turmeric. Mix well, then dip the flowers into the water, then leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. It will be clean. Then strain it for 10 minutes. Then grate the all flowers nicely. Then squeeze the water. It contains a lot of water. We should remove that water squeezing by. Throw this excess water. Then transfer the flower to big vessel. Then add the little masalas. 1 teaspoon nicely chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon nicely chopped green chilli, then 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and half cup of rice flour and half cup of cornflour. Then required salt. Already I added in water salt. Please check and add the salt. Then 1 small teaspoon of baking soda. Then mix all the ingredients. If you find any water, excess of water, you can add rice flour or corn flour required. Then make balls and keep aside. Make round balls, the entire cauliflower. Now heat the oil on medium flame. Fry these balls. All ingredients available on description box. Please find the ingredients on description box. Later 1 or 2 minutes, then turn them. Then fry to until golden color. Then keep aside. You can serve to children as like. Then take a kadai, add oil and chopped ginger and chopped garlic each 1 teaspoon. Add a green chili 1 teaspoon. Nicely chopped and nicely chopped onion 1 cup. Then high flame fry them. Add a treble color capsicum, or if you have 1 or 2 colors you can add 1 color also. Then add a little salt. Flame should be high. Add 1 full cup of water. Add 1 tablespoon of red chilli sauce, 2 tablespoon of chilli sauce, tomato sauce. Then 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar. Then mix well. Add 1 teaspoon cornflour with 4 tablespoons of water. Add required corn batter. 1 or 2 teaspoon is enough for this recipe, for this quantity. Check the quantity, thickness of quantity. Then add handful of chopped spring onion. Then add the fried gobi. Mix well. Finally, add a little chopped fresh coriander and spring onion. This recipe is ready like restaurant style. Take another kadai, grease the oil to entire kadai. Heat oil well. Keep the flame on high. Later 1 minute, add chopped ginger and garlic. Add onions, nicely chopped onion. Now we add half teaspoon of chopped green chilli. Then add chopped carrot, beans and triple color capsicum or one color capsicum. Then fry well. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chilli sauce. It will be very tasty to this fried rice. It's very easy and quick recipe. You can make this at home. Do not go to outside or restaurant. Now we add 1 bowl of rice, cooked rice. Then mix well on high flame. Only we should make this recipe. Then finally chopped coriander and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Then mix well. Then add spring onion. Spring onion is must include for this gobi manchurian and fried rice. It will give the very taste like restaurant. Serve hot 2 dishes. It's very nice and tasty food. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Please comment and share this video to your friends and family members or relatives. Please comment. Thank you for watching.